What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from VT, bringing you guys another video about the HomePod. So I'm going to tell you guys about this video, about the HomePod, on how it exactly works and what it can and what it can't do. So if you watch my unboxing of this video, obviously it can read your text messages, it'll play Apple Music, it'll tell you about your reminders and your notes, and it'll do some other cool features, but those are the main ones they hit. So what it kind of has trouble doing, but it still do it right. So basically, if I have my phone here, I'll show you guys. Unlock it real quick. So if I have my phone here, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go to Pandora. So I have Pandora up right now. I can go, "Hey Siri, play music from Pandora."
I can't play from Pandora.
So as you can see, she told me she can't play it from Pandora, but she can. So if you're in Pandora, you're going to go down here to where it says this little square with a triangle in it. You're going to switch it to where it says bedroom. Obviously it's the HomePod, because that's where this HomePod's at right now. It's in my bedroom. So then you can go into here and you can hit play. Then you got to give it a couple seconds for it to realize what's going on, and it'll play for you. Then you can control the volume. "Hey Siri, volume to 40%. Then it changes on my phone. But you can be like, "Hey Siri, next song." And it'll switch the song for you. See, it's playing the song. I'm just not trying to get copyrighted. That's why I'm not playing the songs out loud or anything like that. So you can do that. Again, you can be like, "Hey Siri, next song," and it'll change for you. So you can't access this Pandora immediately, but if you go into the app, then you switch it to the HomePod, then you can control Pandora. So that's Pandora. That's basically how it works. So the next one would be Spotify. So you cannot, I'll show you again that you cannot control Spotify manually with Siri. "Hey Siri, hey Siri, play music from Pandora."
I can't play from Pandora.
My bad. "Hey Siri, play music from Spotify." Gotta pick
I can't play from Spotify.
So obviously she said the same thing to me again. Can't play from Spotify. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to this little icon right here at the very bottom. Obviously it's already on, but you have your iPhone, then obviously the HomePod, you're going to put it on the HomePod again. Then you can be like, "Hey Siri, play music."
Playing all songs. Shuffled.
See, you have to make sure you say the right songs where you want it to play from. So I can be like, "Hey Siri, play music from Spotify."
I can't play from Spotify.
See, as again, you cannot do it. So you physically have to go on here. You have to go on here. You gotta go to. It's switched off for some reason. You gotta go down here. You gotta go down there, and then you gotta hit play. So now it's playing through here. Then you're gonna go through the same things again, like, "Hey," her name, then like skip song or go to previous song, stuff like that. That's the only way you can control these apps. She cannot do it for you or anything like that. But to show you, since I don't have this set up or anything like that, is, "Hey Siri, hey Siri, play music from Apple Music." I guess it didn't read me. "Hey Siri, play Apple Music." See, it doesn't change. It's still playing from Spotify here. "Hey Siri, play Apple Music." See, it won't change. So basically, to make sure she does this, you have to hit pause. Be like, hey Siri, play Apple Music. So it should be. Dang, it still won't change. That's weird. Alright, it usually changes by now. But I guess I gotta take it off. Hey Siri, play Apple Music.
Playing all songs.
There we go. You have to physically switch it off of your phone from playing from this thing, then it'll play Apple Music. But what's real cool about when you're in the Apple Music app and all that good stuff is that you can go to radio and you can tell it to play like certain stations in the radio of the radio. Hey Siri, play ESPN News and Sports.
Sorry, I couldn't find ESP News and Sports in your music. If you have an Apple Music subscription, check the Home app associated with this HomePod to make sure it's set up.
So you have to be really specific with the words you use, which kind of sucks. But let's try it again. Hey Siri, play ESPN News and Sports.
I couldn't find ESPN News and Sports in your music.
See, I did this earlier and it worked perfectly fine. I don't know why it's not doing it again. I'll call it a different name. Hey Siri, play ESPN Radio.
I couldn't find ESPN in your music.
Hey Siri, play ESPN Radio.
I couldn't find ESPN in your music.
See, this is weird. I swear to God on my life, it played ESPN Radio. I don't know why it's not doing it again, because I was messing around with this, and I was like, I wonder if it'll play the radio. And it did. I swear to God on my life, it played through the radio. I don't know why it's not doing this now. So as you can see, there's kind of bugs with this. You have to have the right words to say for this thing to actually work the way it's supposed to. But to like access the actual HomePod, which I don't have it completely set up in here, but like once you have it completely set up, it'll pop up in here. It'll show you that you have a HomePod in here, so you can control your HomePod through the HomeKit, and you can do basically whatever you need to do with it. But I mean, it's pretty good. It works. Hey Siri, stop music. But I mean, she listens pretty good. Sometimes she doesn't pick up your voice, but as you guys can see, there is some things that still probably need to be worked out, and they're probably still working on, and stuff like that. But just for the last thing I'm going to put on this video, because this is getting pretty long, is as you can see, it's about a little bit taller than my iPhone X, than width-wise. So if I put my thumb and my finger together, right here, I don't have really big hands, but as you can tell, it's about yay big. So it's about like that big. I don't know how you want to measure that. I don't even know how. But as finger goes around, that's about how big it is. But anyways, that's my final thoughts. Obviously, you have to be very picky on the words you use. She only does so much. She can't do other things that are really important. But there you go, guys. I did my best to show you guys everything that I could. If you have any other questions, feel free to put them down in the comments. I'll answer them the best I can. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.